Hi friends, Sheila here with Homework Remodels and Twilight Builders. Back at our job site again today. Coffee and construction in Paradise Valley. Episode 4. We have some great progress. We've got framers over here today. We've got electricians over here today. The HVAC guys have been over and run some ductwork. So I want to show you around. Okay, here we have the framers. So we've taken out the wall that was separating the kitchen from the dining room. And they built 2 temporary walls to hold up the roof above in the process of being able to put in a new beam and then open up this space a little bit more for this kitchen and dining room area. These guys are just knocking it out of the park here. They're doing such a good job. Looking on with amazement out there. Fantastic work. So this is our kitchen space, and the butler's pantry is going to be over there. So down here in the master bathroom, we've got our new dividing wall built between what will be our bathroom space and the closet spaces. At the far end, we've got some plumbing trenches still to dig, so we didn't build that wall that separates the water closet from the shower. But this is going to be this great, fantastic, accessible bathroom. So we've got wide enough doors to get a wheelchair or a walker in here if needed. And then we've got these 2 great closet spaces over on this side of the bathroom, utilizing some space that was just not well organized before. So we're super excited about this. We've got the HVAC out of the ceiling now. They're going to have to redo that ductwork so that we can figure out what soffits will look like in that closet ceiling. But otherwise, you can see these are 2 really great closets. A his and a hers now, where we used to have a shower and 1 smaller closet. So we've got the electricians out here. They're putting in the conduit for the new wire, the new 400 amp service that's going to go to that new electrical panel over there. They're out here working hard in this trench. It's a beautiful sunny day. They're trade partners with Dragonfly Electric, and we really appreciate their expertise in their line of work. Our last bit of show and tell, friends, is where we've got this opening that we're going to make it taller here from the front door and just trim it with drywall. So it's just, oh my gosh, it's so loud in here. I hope you can hear me. But it's going to look so good when that's just a little bit taller and allows a little bit more line of sight going through those 2 spaces. Friends from Homework Remodels and Twilight Builders, we so appreciate you. Thank you so much for doing without you. For coffee and construction in Paradise Valley, take great care of yourself. The best you've got.